Struggling with stuffy air? Meet Shark NeverChange. Fresh air, no hassle, no costly filters. Ever feel like no matter how much you clean, the air in your home still feels dusty, stale, or downright funky? And why do air purifiers always come with endless filter replacements that drain your wallet? Enter the Shark HP302 NeverChange Air Purifier Max, a game-changer designed to solve both problems. Covering 1,400 square feet. With advanced HEPA filtration and odor neutralizer technology, it eliminates 99.98% of particles and smells while saving you $300 plus in filter costs over 5 years. Tired of breathing stale air? Shark's got the fix. Imagine waking up to crisp, clean air that doesn't smell like yesterday's dinner or your pet's latest adventure. Shark's Odor Neutralizer Technology not only traps dust and allergens but actively fights odors, leaving behind a light, refreshing scent. With a 5-year filter lifespan, you can stop worrying about constant replacements and start enjoying air so pure you'll forget what Stuffy ever felt like. From dander to smoke and even musty smells, Shark NeverChange doesn't just purify, it transforms your home's atmosphere. Sick of purifiers that clog up and quit when you need them most? Shark's debris defense system catches hair, dust, and dander before it reaches the core HEPA filter, keeping it running smoothly for years. Maintenance is as simple as vacuuming or rinsing the pre-filter, saving you both time and money. Plus, the NeverChange filtration guarantees up to 5 years of powerful performance, meaning you won't be caught off guard by surprise costs or breakdowns. Worried about covering large spaces? Don't be. The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max handles 1,400 square feet effortlessly, making it perfect for bedrooms, basements, and open-concept living spaces. It cleans the air in just 1 hour and features Clean Sense IQ technology to monitor and adjust power automatically based on real-time air quality. Whether you're hosting guests or simply unwinding after a long day, this purifier keeps your home fresh without the noise. Stop wasting time and money on purifiers that don't deliver. The Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max redefines clean air with cost-saving efficiency, modern tech features, and long-lasting durability. From its energy-saving timer to its touch controls, it's built to handle modern life with ease. Affordable, sleek, and incredibly effective, this purifier is the ultimate upgrade for anyone ready to take back control of their air. Don't just clean, shark it.